Hi guys, I thought to share with you in this video about saving a show file. Some of you asked how to save a show file as a backup to a removable disk. So let's see how to do this. Let's go to a disk. It will be a physical button in your console, or you can see here disk button. So you go to disk and then you have options to save. Select the save as. Now when you go to save as, you can see here if you don't have a removable disk, it will be blank here. Now I have my removable disk here, so I select it. Now I can keep the same name, or I can give a new name. So let's say maybe I will give test show 1, then I save. So once I save, I have my show tagged up in removable disk. Just in case if something happened to my show file, I can load this show file in another console. Select the removable disk. You can see a test show is saved in 1 minute ago. So that's how to save a show file as a backup to a removable disk. If you have any question, let me know. So till we meet with new knowledge to share, keep learning every day. Make the magic happen with lighting. God bless you.